In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your iPhone email. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then at the very top tap at your name to get to Apple ID. Once you are on Apple ID, at the very top you can easily find name, phone numbers, email. Just tap on it. You will be taken to this page where you can find your contacts, including your current email and phone number. Right here at the top right corner of this section, tap at Edit, and then you will be able to add or remove phone numbers and emails. So if you have just one email address here, first off you need to add new one. Just tap where it says add email or phone number, then select add an email address, and on the next step enter your email address, hit next, then enter email password, hit next, and after that new email will be added to that list. And once the new email has been added, you can delete the old one by clicking on the minus sign next to it. Just tap on it and hit add delete. After that, the new email will be set as your Apple ID email. That's how you can easily change your iPhone email. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.